Alright, if you have been looking to get started with Amazon affiliate marketing program, the Amazon Associates, and get started making some money online, this is the right video. I'm going to show you all you need to know about the Amazon affiliate marketing program, the Amazon Associates, from creating your account to creating your links to creating the Stripe that can help you easily get your affiliate links. And we're going to talk about all the types of promotions that you can be able to run with your Amazon Associates account. So without wasting any time, let's jump right in. But before you jump in, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, be sure to do that and hit the bell notification button that when I release a new video, you'll be notified. Alright, so to get started with the Amazon affiliate marketing program, the Amazon Associates, go to affiliate-program.amazon.com. That will take you to a site like this where you see the Amazon Associates logo. So what's the Amazon affiliate marketing program? So the Amazon Associates is the largest affiliate marketing program. Who is the Amazon Associates for? The Amazon Associates is for people like you who own a website and you want to monetize your website content. YouTubers, creators on Twitch, on TikTok. As long as you are creating content, you can be able to monetize that content. You can be able to monetize your efforts using the Amazon Associates. So how it works is you simply sign up and then you get links to various products or various pages on the Amazon.com website. And then you can promote these links, send traffic to Amazon.com, and if you get sales through those links, you get a commission sent direct to your Amazon account. Now that's one way of getting paid with the Amazon Associates. Besides gift cards, you can be able to get your money transferred right to your bank account. Alright, so to get started, simply click on the sign up button. And the first step is to put your information, the payment information. When Amazon is going to pay, who are they paying? So this is the contact information that you need. If you haven't already entered this information via your Amazon account, you can simply add it right here. So you are going to complete this process in 4 steps, and the first step is to enter the pay information. Who is Amazon paying? Your contact information, your address, your phone number. The next step is to enter information about how you are going to promote the Amazon products and services. For example, if you have a website or a mobile app that you're going to use to do this, this is where you enter the links. And if you want, you can add multiple websites. Okay, now we have switched cameras. Alright, so we are going to go through the Amazon affiliate marketing process a bit fast, because we have already talked about most of this stuff on the website mugabeimran.com in the post affiliate marketing. And if you want to check out that post, you can check out the homepage at mugabeimran.com, or you can check out the links in this video description if you want to learn more about the Amazon Associates program. Now, we are going to go through the registration process in 4 steps. The first step is to enter your contact information, the payee information, who is going to get paid in this case. Next is you choose how you're going to promote the Amazon affiliate, the Amazon products and services. Now, not forgetting the category. If you choose a website link, you'll have to choose in which category your websites fall or your content falls, as well as which items in your category would you like to promote on these websites or the apps that have been listed. Next is to create your Amazon Associates ID. So when you create an Amazon Associates account, you have access to millions of products from the Amazon or Amazon.com website. Once you have an account and you have been approved, you can be able to get photos or all these products. You can be able to display them on your website to look for traffic and send it to the Amazon.com website. So your store ID, your Amazon Associate store ID, is the one that's used to identify you as an Amazon Associate. And also this store ID is going to be linked, or is going to be included in all your Amazon Associates links, your Amazon affiliate links. So that's step 3 of the Amazon Associates registration process. And lastly, how did you hear about the program? And then verification to make sure you're not a robot, and click on finish. So the first step, or which is actually, I think there are 3 steps in the account creation process. Now the first step is to simply log in into your Amazon Associates account. Now there's something called two-factor authentication. If you have that connected to your phone, you'll receive what we call an OTP. This is just a two-factor authentication process that helps you increase your security for your account. And the next step is to choose how you are going to get paid. In the first step of the account creation, the Amazon Associates account creation, we have chosen the details, address, contact information. In the second step, we chose which websites or how we plan to promote the Amazon products. Now, in this step, you are going to choose how you plan to get paid. First of all, you have three options on how you can get your commissions. The first one is to get a direct bank deposit. The other one is to get Amazon gift cards, and the other one is to get paid by check. A check is delivered to a specific address that you chose. If you are choosing to get paid by check, you have to make sure that you have chosen the correct information, the correct delivery address, the correct contact information. If you are signing up to receive payment via an international bank account, you might be required to enter more information like your tax information and maybe some other bank details to be more specific. Otherwise, simply click on submit and continue to tax information. Now, keep in mind this tax information, you can enter it anytime. But to get started for now, you already have access to the Amazon Associates account. So to get started, if you look up here in the menu, you'll notice we have product linking, we have promotions, we have tools, and we also have reports. So for just a quick overview, under product linking, this is where you're going to get your links, your Amazon affiliate links. And then if you want to add banners to your website, this is also where you find the banners or the ads that you want to put on your website. And also if you simply want to link to any page, this is where you find the links. Next is under promotions. This is where you find the Amazon Bounty Program besides the Idea Hub. The Idea Hub is where you get some content ideas for your blog or for your channel if you are a content creator. And then the Amazon Bounty Program. This includes stuff like the Amazon Prime, the Audible. Next is the tools. So the tools is where you find my favorite one, the site Stripe, which allows you to get your affiliate links very easy and very fast. And then you have the link checker, which checks the links before you can put them on your website or share them to make sure they have your store ID, to make sure the links are working correctly. And if you want to take this a step further, you can use the advertising API. Amazon will give you like a dashboard which gives you advanced features, advanced marketing tools and features. And next is the consolidated earnings report summary and the earnings report. Now recently we had the earnings report. Now the consolidated summary is, it connects all your accounts. If you have multiple store IDs, you can see all your results in one place. So that's it for the quick menu overview. If you scroll down, you will notice that our account is still so fresh. No earnings, no commissions, no bounties. If you scroll down a little bit more at the near the bottom, you will notice we have some recommended products. Now, if you click on any of these products, you can be able to copy the link, your affiliate link. You can start promoting right away. So I think you can end the video right here and you will have all the basics of the Amazon affiliate marketing program, the Amazon Associates. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Now, to be honest, I think that's all you need to get started with the Amazon affiliate marketing program, the Amazon Associates, to start earning some commission